Have you ever felt like the life you're living isn't the one you were meant for? You know, the kind of life where you wake up every day excited because you're building something meaningful and getting paid to do it? If that resonates with you, then stick around because what I'm about to share could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Welcome to the Felix system. This isn't just a program or a course, it's a complete business system that allows anyone to start and run a successful digital business from home. And I mean anyone. Let me tell you up front, this system works whether you're starting with money or without it. Yes, you can start today even if you don't have a dime to invest, and I'll explain how in just a bit. But first, let me give you some context. I created this system out of necessity. My life wasn't always smooth sailing. Not too long ago, I hit rock bottom. My wife left me, and 5 months later, I lost my job of nearly 12 years. I lost my home, my cars, everything. I had to depend on others just to get by. And let me tell you, that's a humbling experience. But in the middle of all that chaos, I discovered something incredible. I stumbled onto TikTok, not for business, just for laughs. But what I found was a community that showed me how to turn my phone and Wi-Fi into a tool for financial freedom. That's when the Felix system was born. It's the exact system I used to get back on my feet, and now it's my mission to share it with as many people as possible. So, let's get into it. What is the Felix system? And why is it the best way for you to start your own digital business? The Felix system is designed with three goals in mind. 1. Simplicity, so anyone can do it. 2. Speed, so you start seeing results quickly. 3. Scalability, so your income can grow as big as your vision. Here's how it works. We provide you with everything you need to set up a fully operational online business. You'll have access to marketing tools, automation software, and training that shows you exactly what to do step by step. And the best part? You only need to work 2 hours a day to see results. Imagine waking up, putting in just a couple of focused hours, and then spending the rest of your day living your life, whether that's spending time with family, traveling, or simply relaxing. Now let's talk about why this system is so effective. Unlike other programs that require you to cold call strangers, spend thousands of dollars on ads, or figure everything out on your own, the Felix system does the heavy lifting for you. You'll get a fully customizable website to showcase your business, tools to automate your marketing so you're working smarter, not harder, step-by-step training to take the guesswork out of growing your business, and a 24/7 support community to cheer you on every step of the way. All of this for an initial setup fee of just $1,597 and a monthly payment of $97. But if you're not ready to invest up front, don't worry. We've got an option for you to start without paying that amount. More on that in a minute. But first, let me ask you, what would it mean to you to have a reliable way to earn money online every day? Think about that for a second. Think about the peace of mind, the freedom, the possibilities. I know some of you might be skeptical, and that's okay. Skepticism is healthy. But let me tell you about people who've used this system to change their lives. Take Sarah, for example. She was a single mom working 2 jobs, barely getting by. She found this system, started working 2 hours a day, and within a few months, she replaced one of her incomes. Then there's Mike. He was stuck in a job he hated, but he took the leap with the Felix system. Now, he runs his business entirely online, making more money in a week than he used to make in a month. These are real people, just like you, who decided to bet on themselves. And you can do it too. I am so confident this system will work for anyone who puts it to work that I am willing to even let people to start using the system, even if they have no money today, but need to move forward. Take the first step toward building the life you deserve. And if you're still hesitating, let me ask you this. What's the cost of staying where you are right now? Time is going to pass anyway. A year from now, you could be living the same life you're living today, or you could be running a successful digital business that gives you freedom and control over your future. The choice is yours. I'm here to guide you, but you have to take that first step. Let's make this happen together. I can't wait to see what you achieve with the Felix system. Let's do this. Take the first step toward your financial freedom, and I will guide you once you get inside.